Updating your billing information on ID Me Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ID Me Business website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to billing settings. Once logged in, locate the billing or payment information section in your account settings. This is usually found in the main menu or under account preferences. Step 3. Edit billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review changes. After entering your new billing information, carefully review all details to ensure accuracy. Check for any typos or incorrect information before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have confirmed that all information is correct, click the Save or Update button to finalize the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on ID Me Business. Regularly check your account to ensure all details remain accurate.